Now we would like to respond to your questions. The question number one is working with remote teams a good thing or it is just due to the recent COVID-19 issue?
Well, in my opinion, although COVID-19 has changed the way organizations now operate, and working remotely has become a common activity. But I think with advancements in technology, the world was already moving towards adopting the remote working model. The next question is, what are the reason for using specific five methodologies for this session?
Actually, there are two aspects to that. Number one is we selected the most popular agile methodologies, and the second is we needed to extend our study to some reasonable number of methodologies because the previous studies lacked that much dimensions as most of the studies were based on a single methodology. Well, Zishan, there is another question. Is it fair to suggest that agile methodologies are better than the waterfall methodology? What do you say?
Well, that question has been around a lot. The success of a project is not based on mere selection of some particular methodology. There are many project dynamics and ground realities which plays a role in the success of the project. Since Agile is more flexible to adopt the frequent changes and risk responses, therefore it seems to have an edge over traditional waterfall. One important thing to understand is that Agile is not just a methodology, but also a mindset which needs to be adopted, especially at the top management level. Okay, Saqib, we have another question. Do the small companies need to buy expensive high-tech software to adopt the agile methodologies?
Actually, this answer has two parts. Firstly, you don't need to use high tech tools to practice the agile methodologies because sometimes a simple writing on the paper serves the purpose. And also, agile believes in simplicity. Second part is that you might need some online or advanced tools. When you are working in a distributed environment, again, you might need just the right tools that could be simple and low cost or open source. The purpose is always that you should be able to maintain the true sense of each activity. So, Zishan, we are moving towards our last question. That is for remotely working teams. How quality can be maintained?
It's a very good question that the probability of dropping the quality levels in distributed or remotely working teams is high. The answer is to follow the processes and keep close coordination. Daily stand-ups are important ceremony in Agile to enable the team members as well as the product owner to sync up on daily basis. If you observe closely, ensuring good quality is a major component of Agile methodologies.
Zishan, thank you very much. And now we will move towards our live session of question answers. Thank
Sure,
you very much.
thank you, sir.